What is up, guys? Are you guys sick of making Roblox avatars and they just seem to always start to look ugly? They just seem to become ugly over time, just magically. Somebody is in your inventory just waving around the ugly wand around your avatars when you're sleeping at night, and you get on the next day and you're like, this brand new outfit I bought is now ugly. Has that ever happened to you? Because if it has, let me explain what is going on. You guys know that feeling. I know everybody knows that feeling. You guys buy an outfit you love. Where's mine at? I bought this outfit. I thought it was the best. Thought the black hair looks good, black jeans, black long sleeve shirts, the vamp skeleton red hand on the front is the graphics. This thing's sick. And then about a month later, I just wake up and I'm like, it's a little bit plain. Well, guys, the reason your outfits start to become ugly over time is not because they actually become ugly over time. It's not because there's new trends going on. It's not because there's a magical fairy making it ugly. No, it's because of burnt out. Being burnt out. I know it sounds really crazy to say, but being burnt out on your avatar is absolutely a real thing. It's a matter of fact, it's real for everybody. There's not a single person on this earth who can wear a avatar every single day. Oh, thank you. But there's not a single person who can wear an avatar every single day and not get tired of it. Think about it this way. Would you wear your favorite outfit to school or work every single day? And not just those places. As a matter of fact, just every single day. Would you wear it for the rest of your life? You probably wouldn't. No matter how much you love whatever outfit it is, you're probably not going to want to wear it every single day. You're probably going to want to change it at least once. The thing is, same goes for your avatar. What makes you think you can wear a Roblox avatar every single day and not get tired of it? It's the same thing. Same thing like you can't eat Thanksgiving every single day. Thanksgiving will get tired. You can't open presents every day. Christmas won't be fun. You know, you get burnt out. It's that simple. So, guys, what I do to combat this is pretty simple. I just rotate my avatars once a month. I just change my avatars once a month, and eventually I get back to it in about 12 months. Or if you don't have enough Robux to do that, you can do it once you can have like 3 outfits you change 3 times a year, or you can have 6 outfits that you change once every 2 months. I think 6 outfits once every 2 months or 12 outfits once every month is perfect, because I believe anywhere near the 3-month mark, you're kind of pushing it. You're kind of getting iffy. You're kind of like dragging it. You're like, I've wore this thing 90 days. It's getting kind of ugly. Yeah. Don't push it past the 3-month mark, guys. Please change your avatars or they will become ugly to you. I promise. Other than that, though, I hope everybody's having a great day. My name is Kid. I hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you guys like it, drop a comment. If you guys don't like it, dislike it, and drop a hate comment. Peace out, guys.